VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing. Bell notification, comment down below, like the channel, and subscribe most importantly to get that truth and education, non-biased, impartial information you need on the cryptocurrency sphere, stock market, housing market, and all the rest of the financials that you need to fleece, heist, and shiest. The fleecers, shysters, and Christers that are out there trying to rape you on your hard-earned fucking money. And once again, I am not a paid promoter. I am not influenced by anybody or anything. This is only my own personal opinions on the market. But real quick, because there's a lot of things we're going to get into tonight. A lot of things that went on in the stock market this week. A lot of things that went on in the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology sphere. And we're going to break that all down for you step by step, line by line, and brick by brick a little bit later into this evening. But my pension fund, as we're calling it Pension Fridays, we have accumulated another 863 ALGO, and we now have 3,800 ALGO that are going to be stuck in my own personal escrow until it reaches such levels of heights that it hasn't seen before. And that is a coin that I am accumulating actively, for better or for worse. We're going to take a shot in the dark and an arrow in the sky at it, just as it's a beautiful, gorgeous, sunny, hot 96-degree day in the greater Midwest metropolitan area, right? In the horrible state of Illinois. But you can see XLM today has been up, it's been down. There's been a lot of volatility in the 4-hour time frame after this recent most consolidation here. And we could be forming one of two patterns. Watch the video from 2 days ago for pattern 1 and pattern 2. We're going to outline here a little bit later on this evening. And I just had a ALGO at a glance, or a XLM at a glance. You have the 16 cent is major upper resistance, the blue dotted line, or the purple dotted line, right up in here. See that? Then you have the 15.7 cents is your support line that you need to hold, or you come all the way back down to 13 cents. And that 13 cents really is your major long-term underneath support now, because that separates a zone that's a better than, if you look at a drop, it's a better than a big drop percentage-wise. I can't show you right now, but you don't have any more support from that 13.25 cents until you get all the way down here near 10.6 cents or 10.5 cents. So that's a critical support level, and we're going to break that all down a little bit later on this evening when I have more utensils and more things at my disposal. But here's ALGO. It's nearing its all-time low, and that's where we've accumulated. All of my coins on ALGO have been accumulated down here near its all-time low. If we go into the 4-hour time frame, I'm not going to zoom out farther than that. Oh, of course. Every time I do this, it likes to fucking have problems. Let's get back to ALGO. It just always has to have issues. But it's near an all-time low, right? And it's having this nice consolidation that, even though it's down about 97, 98% from its high, doesn't mean it can't go back down 97 or 98%. But you can see the mean of the trading volume is up there between 23 and 35 cents. And that's a big percentage move up. I'm not expecting that in the short term, but eventually one day it should go past there. And we're going to continue to accumulate ALGO, right? Even if it does go down another 90%, we would just buy more. And if the coin goes out of existence, which I don't anticipate anytime soon, that is what it is. But for better or for worse, we're going to hold this long term, and we've accumulated in my coin collection now of 3,800 ALGO at an average cost of 12 cents, right? I bought my first 800 coins at 20 cents, and I bought my last 3,000 coins at about 10.5 cents, right? I think today it was about 10.8, 10.7, somewhere in there. But that's what we're going to do with ALGO. It's going to be a non-stop, continue accumulation. I'm looking to get about 10,000 ALGO coins in my collection, and that's going to be my pension fund, right? My pension fund that nobody knows is a pension fund until 30 years from now, when my simple $800 investment turns into $100 $1,000. That's right, get on the ALGO train before it takes off, before it launches. This is not hype, this is not hopium. I'm saying in the next year or two, however long it's this low, accumulate as many ALGO as possible in or around 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 cents. But once it gets back above 20 or 30 cents, have your bags loaded, hit on that rocket ship, and enjoy the cool, crisp fall air that's soon to be coming out of the great country of Canada, and enjoy that ride. But you must load your bags prior to that happening, and that's what we're going to do. As long as ALGO goes below 20 cents, I will accumulate 800 to 1,000 coins periodically, weekly, every other week, or just when I feel like accumulating more ALGO. But I absolutely will keep you informed on how many ALGO I buy, along with XLM and a little XRP scattered in there. Those will be my 3 coins that I'm collecting, and at the very least I will have a nice coin collection on my phone. If they all go bankrupt, hey, at least I'll have a nice coin collection. But those are the 3 coins that I collect, are XLM, the old ALGO, and the old XRP. The collection or / accumulation, as the crypto sphere likes to call it, and the stock sphere, that is what I'll be doing. The Bitcoin price has the 29,000 major resistance, which is the red trading box, the VP volume indicator. And as long as we keep running up there with not a lot of volume, you're going to get repeatedly beat down, right? But if you look at what Ethereum did, it took several months for it to get rejected off of it and finally punch through before it got knocked down and beat down harshly. And I believe now is back below that trading box. If you can't grip some support, you're initially going to come down to around the 200-day moving average, and that's your major support in the daily time frame between there and 19,100 at the top part of that blue trading box, right? And if you can bust into that red trading zone, the VP volume indicator, you can run up to 39,211 and 32 cents. That's what those are the 3 levels I'm watching. Can you break the 29,000? Do you get rejected again by the 29,000 and it drives you near the 19,100 phase? And if you can get above the 29,000, your major upper resistance would be 39,000. But it hasn't happened yet. It's continuing to get beat down, but we're going to continue to watch this, and we'll break all this down a little bit later on. This evening as we get more time. Like, subscribe, and share. Bell notification. Peace and love.